welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be playing a game called snowboard racing. Don't know what to expect here. I guess oh, yeah, oh crap. Well, let's retry that. I don't know, where's my skin? Hold on. Hold on here, let's see. Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, kind of. I don't really mind. Yo, hold up. Am I on a snowboard right now? Yo! My gosh, I keep on. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. Guys, this is okay. I'm so bad. Let's go, I guess. Comment and a like. But anyway, let's time this and see how fast. Editor, set up a timer, please. Thank you. Let's go now. Alrighty, go. Okay, let's go, guys. We're going. Oh yeah, boys and girls, we're going as fast as we can. Oh, I went the wrong way. Woo! Go. Come on. I don't want to lose my time here. Come on. Let's go. We're zooming. Come on. Come on. We're going to the Nether? What the heck? Whoa, that's cool. That's a cool transition. I like it. I like it a lot. I also like how you can see the track. Also, I don't think last time I checked, there wasn't sand in the Nether. But since I am in survival, I kind of want to like see the bugs and stuff and like all the flaws in this map. I'm not saying that it's bad or anything. I'm just like wanting to see what all I can do. Like, can I, for example, go to the Nether or just like make this a survival world? Like, I wonder if I could do that, because I did set this to survival. Oh, well, we're going back out. Here we go. Okay. We're going to the goal. Boom! Wait, hold on. Let's redo that. Editor. What? Oh. Okay. Awesome. Okay, well, anyway. Editor, what was my time? I completely forgot about that. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I've been out of the zone for a little bit. Are you kidding me? I can't do that. Go. Go back. Now. Can I just go, like, around, you think? No. Fine, I'll go down. Whatever. I wonder if I can even break blocks. Like, do you think I can break this wood? Nope. Hold on, let me fix that. Oh, really? Really? I don't think I can break anything. Hold up, what? Ah, there we go. That's why. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We got this in the bag now. Let's go. Okay, off. Yeah! Give me that wood. We're making a survival. What is... Okay. This is like... Oh, yeah, those are barrier blocks. I'm outside the map now. Is this just like a normal survival world on the outside? Like... Hold up. Also, I wonder if I can go to the Nether in these. Nope. I can't. Well, if we break this, though, we can just see inside the Nether. Wait a minute. I wonder if that works with a real Nether portal. Hold on. I wonder. Just to trigger you guys. There you go. There you go. Oh, oops. Sorry, guys. I accidentally placed that. I definitely placed that on accident. Let's just see what the Nether looks like. Like, this map has music, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it. The Nether is so happy. I've never seen the Nether this happy before. It's so happy. What happened? Even in the Nether, it's still happy, I guess. I don't know. Oh, wow. Wow, barrier blocks go kind of high. Okay. You know, and then this is the, like, the ski lift thing, right? Right? I think. Yes, it is. So you go here. Really? I got blindness. I cannot see. Let's explore this world a little bit. You know what? Hold on. Let's do a jump cut back to here really quick. I'm gonna get some extra add-ons really quick. Jump cut. Boom! We're back. Okay. Now I added the TNT add-on. Let's see. Let's see what all this place truly. What in the world? Item spawn egg identity. Oh, that's an ice TNT. Well, we're not looking for that. We're looking for colossal. Die! This house will explode! It's done. There's no way it survives. Oh my gosh! It's gone. Hey, there was a house there at one point. Did you know that? My game is experiencing 2 frames per second. I feel like I'm about to be yeeted to outer space. No. No, Minecraft. No! It froze on me! No, guys. I can't move. It's not moving. No! No! The loading screen of death. Oh no. Oh no. What? uh, did anybody call for mountain removal? Oh my gosh. Okay, well. Wait, what is a triple rocket dash? What? I just saw this. Totem? What? There's different items other than just a rocket dash? Lightning from beyond. Triple TNT? What is the TNT? What? Okay. Okay. Yo, the triple dash? Pretty cool. Okay, anyway. Back to blowing stuff up. Whoo! That's why my PC was cooking. Oh, look. They're still alive. Come here. Eh. 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 Oh my gosh, that was like a super ultra mega charged creeper. Let's see what happens whenever I light off, I don't know, 5 times as many. And just run. Oh my gosh. My PC is cooked. Oh my gosh, it's done. It's done. You're kidding? Are you, oh my gosh, are you good, bro? You gonna stop placing TNT, man? Like, what? Oh my gosh. I can't stop, guys, help me. I can't stop. I'm done. Why are there command blocks? Yo. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Oh. What? Okay, hold on. I've never messed with a command block. Like, I've never messed with one of these. What? Wait. Maybe. At E? I don't know. Oh my. Goodbye, command blocks. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? Why? Why am I no. No. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Most of them are going so high that they don't even do anything. Oh, all those are blowing up. Oh my. Oh. I'm gonna embrace it. Oh. Oh, it's cooking. I can hear my fan about to explode. So this is the before. Right here. This is before the, oh my. Oh. Okay. You want, oh, I can't move. Oh my gosh. It's still exploding. Oh my gosh. Wait, did I just see a Yeti? Turn this into a survival world if you guys were wondering. Yes, you can. But, most of this entire video was just me frying my PC. So, I hope you all enjoyed. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video episode. Bye.